Don't you wish your dog could play outside without a leash? Well, now he can with the wireless electronic pet fence from NACRL. The system uses a sleek, lightweight collar that reminds your dog when he approaches the boundary radius, first through audible tone, and then with a safe, static shock if needed. A wall-mountable indoor unit provides the signal for the boundary radius. Adjusting the boundary is simple and can be increased to a range of up to 500 meters. Give your dog the freedom he deserves with the wireless electronic pet bed system from NACRL.
When starting the main unit, the default is fence function. If it required using the dog training function, please directly press the dog training functional key to automatically switch the function. When using the fence function, turn the antenna upwards for 90. It has 90 shifts. The distance increases by 10 feet after increasing each 10 shifts. Training function, turn the antenna upwards for 180. You may freely select the electric shock function, vibration function, and warning sound function. After main unit shutdown, the receiver won't vibrate and enable electric shock, and the test indicator won't turn on.
Use the Whistle app anytime to always know your pup's location. Get proactive alerts, like when your pup is about to reach their daily goal, and when he leaves your safe place, or makes a sneaky escape. If your pup does escape, turn on live tracking to quickly find them with 15-second location updates. Keep an eye on their day. Know where they went, who they were with, and for how long. You'll even know what they were doing, playing, walking, or resting. Manage your pup's fitness level. Get recommended daily activity goals based on your dog's breed, age, and weight. Whistle will monitor activity minutes and how close you are to reaching your pup's goals. Monitor reaching these goals and celebrate their achievements together. Whistle Go tracks behaviors like licking, scratching, and other behaviors and provides you with a weekly health report, so you can stay on top of changes that may indicate health issues. With Whistle Go, you'll always have the knowledge about how your pup is doing at your fingertips, and the peace of mind that they're living their best life.
Don't you wish your dog could play outside without a leash? Well, now he can with the wireless electronic pet fence from NACRL. The system uses a sleek, lightweight collar that reminds your dog when he approaches the boundary radius, first through audible tone, and then with a safe, static shock if needed. A wall-mountable indoor unit provides the signal for the boundary radius. Adjusting the boundary is simple and can be increased to a range of up to 500 meters. Give your dog the freedom he deserves with the wireless electronic pet bed system from NACRL.